ambition and practicality, seriousness, responsibility, maturity, and at the same time a slight amount of laziness. If all these traits sound familiar to you, then you are most likely a Capricorn rising sign. Welcome to Astro Saraswat, your celestial guide. I'm Chandramukhi, and let us now discuss the rising sign Capricorn. If you have Capricorn in your first house or in your ascendant, so what that means is that, first of all, Capricorn is a sign ruled by the planet Saturn. Saturn brings responsibility, brings maturity, brings hard work, and also delays. So those who are ruled by Saturn are naturally going to experience a certain amount of delay in their life. Things are going to go slower than what they want, and at the same time they will always find themselves in situations where they have to put in a lot of effort. And if they do not put in effort, then they themselves will also feel a bit awkward, because it's just in their nature to put in effort, to work hard. Now, this sign interestingly also does bring a certain amount of laziness, because Saturn is also, because it is slow moving, it makes a person lethargic or lazy. So the person has a tendency to procrastinate, again, delays, right? Slow moving. So the person is lazy, delays things, procrastinates. But then when the time comes, when it's time to fulfill that responsibility, then they're going to work hard. So it's actually both together. Sometimes people are like, how can you be lazy and hardworking at the same time? Well, it is possible. We as human beings are very complex, and we have different aspects to our nature. So yes, it is very much possible. A person with a Capricorn rising can at times be very lazy, and at the same time is a genuinely responsible person. Now, Capricorns are also very mature people because of being ruled by Saturn. Maturity doesn't come without a certain amount of hardships in life, because it is ruled by Saturn. Certain amount of hardships and the need to be patient in life is very much there, which makes a person very mature. And with that maturity naturally come the good qualities of being kind and being considerate, right? Because that humility comes with being patient and working hard. Capricorns are very ambitious. There's a natural 10th sign which would correspond to the 10th house, which represents career. For them, doing something, using their energy to do something is very important. Career is important. And by career, we don't necessarily mean having a business or anything, but whatever it is that they have a career in. For example, say it's a housewife, right? Even then, the 10th house would represent career, or rather dharma, the duty of a person. So Capricorns, or for that matter, whenever Saturn is prominent in the chart, person is very dutiful. So they are very concerned about fulfilling their duties properly. Another prominent thing about Capricorns is that they are very much concerned about other people's opinions. What will that person think? What will my parents think? Or what will my neighbors think if I do this and that? Relax. Capricorns need to really get out of this cycle of constantly worrying about what others are going to say. This is another sign. It's an earth sign like Taurus and Virgo. Capricorn is the third earth sign, and they are perfectionists. But this time, more than expecting perfection from others or from their surroundings, like Tauruses, they love a beautiful house. Virgos, they want everything to be perfect. Capricorns put that entire pressure on themselves. They want themselves to be perfect. So they'll push themselves, and they'll really be hard on themselves more than what others would do. And sometimes others will be like, oh my God, why are you so hard on yourself? Or they can actually achieve a lot in life because of this constant work that they're doing on themselves. So they're very hardworking people, and perfectionists in regards to themselves. They're very hard on themselves. But at the same time, despite all of this, things still tend to be a bit slow in life, right? So now we just discussed about Sagittarius being ambitious. Same way, Capricorns are also actually very ambitious, but there's a difference. Capricorns are very practical. They are like, okay, I want to achieve that goal. So what do I need to do to achieve that goal? They'll make a step-by-step plan. They understand that we need to start small and then build on that. So their ambition is not just out there, it's grounded in reality. It's earth sign, so they're very stable. They're not up in the air. They're very stable people. So stability is also very important for Capricorns. So if you are also a Capricorn rising, then do comment how do you show up in the world, and what do you feel as a Capricorn. We'll love to hear that. And stay tuned for the remaining rising signs. Thank you. Namaste.